Emma loved using social media. She checked her phone many times every day. Emma had accounts on 3 different platforms. She liked to share photos and short videos. One Saturday morning, Emma made a special cake. The cake looked very beautiful with colorful decorations. I need to share this online, Emma thought. She took many photos of the cake from different angles. Emma chose the best photo and added a filter. The colors became brighter and more attractive. She wrote a caption, "My homemade cake. What do you think?" Emma pressed the post button and waited. After 5 minutes, her phone made a sound. Someone had liked her post. Emma smiled and checked the notification. Her friend Lisa had commented, "Looks delicious." More likes and comments arrived throughout the day. Emma kept checking her phone every few minutes. By evening, her post had 50 likes. Emma felt very happy about this. The next day, Emma wanted to post again. She looked around her apartment for something interesting. But nothing seemed special enough to share. She decided to go outside and find something to photograph. Emma walked to a nearby park with her phone. The flowers were blooming and the sun was shining. She took a beautiful photo of red and yellow tulips. Emma posted the photo with the caption, "Spring is here." This post received even more likes than the cake photo. Emma felt proud of her photography skills. Soon, she started posting every day. She posted her breakfast, her walks, and her coffee. Some days she spent hours taking the perfect photo. Her friend Mark noticed this change. "You are always on your phone now," he said during lunch. Emma laughed and said it was just a hobby. But she knew that she cared a lot about the likes. One day, Emma posted a photo and nobody liked it. She waited 1 hour, then 2 hours. Still no likes or comments appeared. Emma felt sad and started to worry. Maybe my photo was not good enough, she thought. She deleted the post and felt embarrassed. That night, Emma could not sleep well. She kept thinking about the failed post. The next morning, her sister called her. "Let us meet for coffee today," her sister said. Emma agreed and they met at a small cafe. Her sister noticed that Emma looked tired. "Is everything okay?" her sister asked. Emma told her about the social media stress. Her sister listened carefully and then spoke. "You should not let likes control your happiness," she said. "The number of likes does not show your value." Emma thought about these words for a long time. She realized that her sister was right. That evening, Emma made a decision. She would use social media less often. She turned off most of her notifications. Now she only checks her phone a few times a day. Emma still enjoys posting sometimes. But she does not worry about the likes anymore. She shares moments because she wants to, not for approval. Emma learned that real life is more important than online life. And that was the best lesson of all.
Learn with LingoStories.app.